na still tuko na wao on the ground na tunaendelea kutafuta huyu kijana.
Meanwhile, heavy rains continue to pound various parts of the country, causing heavy flooding and displacing thousands of Kenyans. So far, at least 70 people have been killed by raging floods countrywide. And as the relentless downpour continues, the Inspector General of Police, Koome, has told motorists to exercise utmost caution when schools reopen next week. KTN's Ode Francis reports on the sufferings caused by the floods.
Is the chaos caused by the current heavy rains countrywide. The police service has come out to give traffic advisory ahead of school reopening. A statement from the Inspector General of Police, Koome, has called for extra caution on the part of motorists, more so the public service vehicles, when schools reopen next week.
And here in Mathare we have more than 8 institutions. We have more than 8 schools which are hosting these refugees or this IDP. And that means that we shall have a challenge starting Monday when the school reopen and the children start coming in.
Koome has asked motorists to strictly adhere to traffic rules to minimize the number of road accidents. In the heart of Nairobi County, residents of Mathare North can now at least afford a smile after days of relentless rains.
We are attending to 174 families that have already been registered with us, even though the initiative in this Mathare North is going to be an initiative that attends to 1,000 households, and each household is going to be getting 10,000 shillings.
Today, the displaced residents got a glimmer of hope. The benevolent hand of World Vision organization extended a lifeline, a donation of 10 million shillings to those affected by floods. The flood tragedy claimed the lives of at least 10 people, with several individuals still unaccounted for.
The situation is not as one would expect because they have run away from the floods, but they have come to a school which is also flooded. I'm even worried whether the school will open soon because most of the classrooms are equally flooded.
The organization's mission is to provide refuge to an estimated 80,000 people displaced by floods countrywide.
Tunalala kwa hii hall tukiwa na watoto na wale wengine ni wagonjwa. Tunaomba sana mtusaidie. Mashule zinaenda kufunguliwa. Hatujui tunafanya nini. Lakini najua Mungu ako mbele wetu.
Mheshimiwa wangu TJ Kajwang, ulikuja siku ile tulitembea. Rudi uone watu wako walikupigia kura. Hata Sakaja, hao watu ni watu wako.
And in Kilifi County, residents have felt the effects of heavy rains after Sabaki River broke its banks following torrential rains experienced in the region. Local residents have been left assessing the extent of damage caused by floods. One of the residents with over 40 acres of cultivated land has been left in a state of despair.
Na katika eneo zima vijiji karibu 11 vyote vimeweza kusombwa na mafuriko, hasa maeneo ambayo wananchi wanalima chakula.
Kuna mashamba ambayo yalikuwa na chakula ambayo ilikuwa tayari kuvunwa na kuliwa. Hizo chakula zote kama ni mahindi, ni maboga, yote yameweza kusafirishwa ama yamebebwa na kupelekwa sehemu za kule baharini.
Residents of Garashi, Mudunguni, Burangi and Lango have been told to seek sanctuary in elevated areas.
Kule ambako hakuna hatari, watu wako juu, tumepata boats na Red Cross na jaribu kuwapelekea chakula. Isipokuwa wale ambao wako kwa flatland tumeambia watoke. Kule ambako tunaona maji yanamwagika kama Madunguni na kwingine.
Areas that have been hit hard by the current torrential rains include Nairobi, Machakos and Ukambani regions. Ode Francis, KTN News, Nairobi.